common factors in the coronavirus that persons get infected due to the coronavirus. This is the basic things we have need to understood to everyone, and what is the sign and symptoms of the coronavirus. Coronavirus, before entering your bodies, it may get attached in any part of your objects like finger, hair, and in your exposed area like your cloth or shoes. It may into contact at any way. Then the symptoms of the coronavirus, that first of the raising your temperature, means you have get infected by the fever, and second most common symptoms is that fever, and third is the tiredness. You will also feel some of the tiredness after getting the infected of the coronavirus. And if you see some common factors apart from that, that persons have to be breathlessness problems, and some of the muscles ache and headache and running nose, chest pain, and apart from that sore throat. And after that you see the whole bodies will be chills or shivering after infected to the coronavirus. This is the pandemic disease which is declared by the WHO outbreak, a pandemic in all over the world. Most probably persons have been get infected due to the coronavirus. After that you see that what is the major step we have need to avoid the coronavirus. First of all, we have need to keep distance 6 feet or 6 feet or 2 meters from the another persons, and always when you are coughing or sneezing, then you curve your elbows and then sneeze, and after that you can take your tissue papers or handkerchief. Apart from that, you have need to wash your hand several times, your hands, to avoid the coronavirus, and as much as possible you have need to avoid to get a mass gathering place. As much as possible you have to do like that. And apart from that you see that some of the most common risk factors in the patient which is get infected by the coronavirus easily. First of all you see that the asthma patient, which is the persons are suffering from the breathlessness or asthma, and second is that persons are get infected due to the blood sugar or diabetes, and third most persons are which suffering from the heart disease. And in three categories of the persons are easily get infected due to the coronavirus, and it may have to harmful for them who is the suffering from that disease. Even though you know the coronavirus is a family of the virus that known as the COVID-2. COVID-2 means coronavirus 2, that also commonly known as the SARS-2. SARS. SARS means, you know, SARS was seen in 2002. More than 4 million people are infected, and most probably have been dead due to the SARS. SARS means severe acute respiratory syndrome, and coronavirus are known as the SARS-2 means severe acute respiratory syndrome 2, and newly coronavirus have came and in the worldwide that they have the symptoms in the world. So friend, for more informations you can see my another videos. If you like, you see, like, share and comment to my video for that informations, and thank you. Bye bye once again.